So one of the last comment, how to stop the product page from popping up in the start of CATIA. So let's take a look at this. I'm gonna close the software. I see now that by default I'm within assembly design workbench. I'm gonna close the software. If I'm gonna have that restarted, the software will automatically define that product workbench file that the comment talked about. So we see the software starting up now, and we are within that assembly design. Keep in mind that, for example, if you're gonna swap the file of the product, so assembly design is at the same level with others, for example, Photo Studio. If I'm gonna have this selected and I'm gonna restart the software, now the software will automatically create a product page, but the workbench active will be set to Photo Studio, since that was the last used workbench. The same goes for others, for example, digital mockup, demo kinematics. We see that the workbench is enabled. If I'm gonna close the software, I'm gonna have it restart, we're gonna see that now that workbench will be enabled by default when the software will start. Okay, now I'm gonna close the software and let's see how we can stop the software from doing that. We're gonna go to Advanced System Settings within the control panel, and over here we have the Advanced System Properties. We're gonna go to Environment Variables, and we're gonna need to create a new variable at the top, so user variables for your computer. I will go up to none, and we need to type in this cat no start document. So this will be the variable specifically for CATIA. And at the bottom we're going to type in yes. You can go with either caps or non-caps. Now we see that we have that variable enabled. I'm going to close this. If I'm going to restart the software, now I will have a blank screen without having any workbench selected. So something similar to this over here. And we see the software has restarted. For some reason it's no longer in full screen, but we can go and have that set to full screen. And now I will have to pick the desired workbench. As a preference, as a personal preference, I prefer to have CATIA always open a product. So for me, I will go back to the environment variables, and I'm gonna have this deleted. And if I'm gonna start the software again, it will automatically create that product file at the start. But if you want to have it disabled, you can do this. I'm also gonna post the reference link for this. So it will be this website. So let's take a look. We have again assembly design. So I hope that this video addressed the problem that Med Walsetti asked. If there are other questions regarding some aspects, feel free to leave a comment in one of the videos, and I will address that within another video. Okay, thanks for watching.